systematic investigation by means repeatable experiment to gain useful and testable knowledge. In the World Parliament, the lecture is given by Swami Vivekananda ji. He is explaining that body is the fittest instrument to display the feature of a soul, and soul is not bound with any condition of matter. We are actually all creatures, all creatures of Milky Way galaxy. We are all part of cosmic consciousness, and time to time, after a certain period of time, this consciousness is transferred one location to another location. That is actually birth and rebirth. So, in order to accomplish more and to fulfill our desires, our goals, our expectations, we need to maintain our level of intelligence, level of consciousness. And how can we maintain our level of intelligence and level of consciousness? That could be only maintained through the practice of transcendental meditation technique, which is long back given us His Holiness Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, and time to time other rishis. They experienced, they did a lot of practice of meditation, and they could be able to, they were successfully able to maintain their level of consciousness level. Actually, what we are experiencing through this biological machine, biological system, which is called body, and we are receiving informations through our sensory systems like nose, eyes, and articulatory system. So we are recording all these experiences through the body biological system into the brain, and brain is what? Brain is made of memory, and memory is what? Memory, there are two types of memory are into existence. Memory which is going to manifest, which are manifesting through the brain system, through our thoughts, are flowing into our memory, and these thoughts are converting into actions. And what is the source of this memory? The source of this memory is, it is being manifested from unmanifest memory to manifest memory, and everything is going to be manifest from this unmanifest. And what is this unmanifest? Unmanifest is the source of infinite energy intelligence and awareness, and by which what product is used to build this unmanifest memory. This unmanifest memory is made of what has been manifested, the raw material which is being used to make this unmanifest memory. It is manifested memory, experienced memory through the through this biological system, which we call it like human body or body of any creature of Milky Way galaxy or any other galaxies in the universe or multi-universe existed. Unmanifest memory is a unified field, and unified field is what? Unified field is a Porsche, means a Porsche. This means not this. A Porsche means Shiva. Porsche, a Porsche Shiva and Parvati, and this is the which is blank actually, and blank is what? Unified field. Unified field, a Porsche, where this all the activities are verb. There is nothing in the universe. Everything or an activity, and this activities are controlled by this unmanifest memory, which is the modern science is calling it as subconscious mind. And subconscious mind is what? The unmanifest memory, which is blank, and which is the consciousness. If consciousness existed in that blank, in that unified field, and through this the consciousness is furthermore connected through our reticulatory system to the cosmic consciousness, and thus, because we do have minimum level of consciousness and we are living in a minimum level of intelligence, awareness, alertness, that's why we are fully controlled by the cosmic consciousness, cosmic awareness, cosmic intelligence, and we do not have any control on our own consciousness, or we are fully incapable to maintain our level of intelligence and level of consciousness. If we will be able to maintain our level of consciousness in the same frequency as the cosmic consciousness, then everything will be possible to us. Every task, every critical task, every impossible will be possible. That's what I want to say to the world. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.